Welcome to Free Schooling, your gateway to valuable life skills and financial advice. Get ready to unlock your potential and thrive with our free educational content. Join us on this empowering journey of knowledge and growth at Free Schooling. Are you interested in making money through blogging on WordPress? In this video, we will explore the top ways to generate income from your WordPress website. Whether you're a beginner or not tech savvy, it's now easier than ever to create a website that earns you money. Here are the 13 top ways to make money blogging on WordPress. 1. Create an Amazon affiliate store. Promote Amazon products on your website and earn a commission when visitors purchase through your links. 2. Sell your own physical products. Start your own e-commerce store on your WordPress blog using plugins like WooCommerce to sell products worldwide. 3. Display ads. Place ads on your website, such as Google AdSense, and earn money when visitors view or click on the ads. 4. Sell an e-course. Share your expertise by creating and selling online courses using plugins like MemberPress, earning recurring passive income. 5. Sell ebooks. Repurpose your popular blog post into ebooks and sell them using plugins like Easy Digital Downloads or self-publish on platforms like Kindle Direct Publishing. 6. Grow your email list with pop-ups. Use tools like Opt-in Monster to create high-converting pop-ups that capture visitors' email addresses, allowing you to market to them in the future. 7. Accept guest posts. Charge for guest blog posts to save time, get fresh content, and earn money. Use plugins like WP Forms to collect user-submitted content and handle payments. 8. Sell sponsored posts. Occasionally publish sponsored posts for a fee, but be mindful of maintaining your audience's trust. 9. Start a podcast. Engage your audience by creating podcast episodes, and monetizing through affiliate codes, campaigns, and dedicated landing pages. 10. Create members-only content. Start a membership website and offer exclusive content, charging a monthly fee for recurring income. 11. Sell freelance services. Showcase your skills and offer services like coaching, copywriting, or consulting directly on your WordPress website. 12. Accept donations. Add donation forms to your website to make it easy for visitors to contribute financially. 13. Book appointments with contact forms. If you offer in-person services, add an appointment booking form to your website, making it convenient for customers to schedule appointments. Looking for an easy way to incorporate affiliate links into your videos? Click on the link in the description. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found it insightful and informative. If you're ready to take the next step and explore further, we invite you to join our community and discover the opportunities waiting for you. These are the top ways to make money blogging on WordPress. Remember to integrate your website with PayPal for secure online payments. Start monetizing your website today and unleash its full potential. For more updates, subscribe and hit the like button.